Guys, welcome back to Codin. So guys, I hope you all are taking care and having a lovely time and understanding each and every concept that I'm telling you with the help of my videos. In today's video there will be something interesting for you, so do stay till the video at the end. And today's lesson, what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about unguided media, data communication terminologies, and what are different types of waves, what are different data terminologies like bandwidth, bps, and what are different data channels. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Already on my YouTube channel I have posted content regarding excel, c++, java, python, mysql, and important videos of summary videos and other things also. So in today's, what we are going to do, we are going to dive into the network again and understand what do we mean by unguided media, the different waves, and also data communication terminology. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. So now coming to the very first thing that we are going to talk about is microwave signals. So first of all, as soon as I said microwave, so everybody must be thinking about the microwave that you had at your home to make your food go warm or do anything end of that. So it's not that microwave. Basically it is a microwave signal. So now when I'm talking about microwave signal, the microwave signal basically is used to perform similar way like just like radio and television signal, but from a very long distance. So basically the microwave transition consists of three things: transmitter, receiver, and the atmosphere. So राइटोग्रेव में जो तीन चीज होती है वो क्या होती है? ट्रांसमीटर, रिसीवर, and atmosphere. So these are the three things that are really important in a microwave signal. So now whenever talking about a microwave signal, basically these are antennas and mounted on a tower to beam to another antennas kilometers away. The higher the tower, the greater the range. With a 100-meter higher tower, distance of 100 kilometer between towers are feasible. The transmission line of microwave is a line of sight transmission. So now let's understand the advantages as well as the disadvantages. So now talking about the advantages of microwave. So what are microwaves beneficial for? It provides cheaper than digging trenches for laying cables and maintaining repeaters. So now what we usually see that there are a lot of digging done to provide in cables to build a connection, and lots of wires are being performed. So it is not necessary in this kind of thing. Just you have to create a tower or something, and accordingly the ranges will be as wider the range it is. It offers the freedom from land acquisition right that are required for laying, repairing the cable. Now how the land acquisition right? Suppose say तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी है, वहाँ पे क्या है, तुम्हारे पास एरिया है, बट वो क्या कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमें वायर को चेंज करनी है, तो प्रॉबेबली व्हाट यू विल डू, आपको क्या होगा, आपको गुस्सा आएगा कि यार हमारे यहाँ पे दूसरे दिन यहाँ पे क्या गड्ढा खोद के चले आते हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, दिस विल नॉट इन्वॉल्व. सो वेन एवर माइक्रोवेव वाली कोई चीज होगी तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम, उसको केबल्स को बाहर से यूज करेंगे, सिग्नल्स को बाहर से यूज करेंगे और उसको सेस करेंगे. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ एडवांटेजेस, इट ऑफर्स ईज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ओवर डिफिकल्ट ट्रेन. द ट्रेन वेज वेरी डिफिकल्ट मीन्स यहाँ पे कुछ जो हमारे पास जो एरिया है वो क्या है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, वहाँ पे कौन सा सुटेबल है, माइक्रोवेव सिग्नल. Next is microwave has the ability to communicate over ocean. So it is one of the most efficient and feasible where we can use over oceans also. That is microwave. Now coming to the disadvantage of microwave. Microwave communication is an insecure communication. Signal from a single antenna may split up and propagate by different parts to receiving the antenna. Means what it can happen, a signal that is coming, it can be received in different and can split up. Means the whole message could not be delivered to the receiver. Then microwave propagation is susceptible to weather effect like rain, thunder, storm, etc. Means microwave पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा, अगर कोई थंडर आ गया, कोई स्टॉर्म आ गया और कोई रेन होगी, बारिश ज़्यादा होगी, तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, माइक्रोवेव्स के सिग्नल पे इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, bandwidth allocation is extremely limited in case of microwave. In this case, bandwidth is very slow. Do stay till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you that what do we mean by bandwidth. It is a really very important topic. So if you are liking the video till now, please do like it, subscribe to my channel, and also you can see some changes I have done in my video explaining you things in Hindi as well. I hope you like that too. Next is the cost of design, implementation and maintenance of microwaves is very high. So whenever I'm building a microwave, the cost of maintenance is also very high. These are the disadvantages of microwave signals. Next kind of waves that we have, the radio waves. So now whenever we're talking about the radio waves are basically the continuous sine waves to transmit information. That can be audio, video or data. So basically each radio signal consists of a wave frequency. Now हमारी जो रेडियो वेव होती है उसमें एक फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, like whenever you are listening to radio, so you might be tuning into 94.3, 92.7 or any of the things. So basically these are some frequency. The frequency will be changed accordingly. So that is called as a frequency. Now basically any radio has two parts, the transmitter and the receiver. So basically the transmitter takes some kind of message, maybe it should be someone's voice, picture, or anything, encodes into a sine wave and transmit into the radio waves. Whereas the radio wave receives the radio waves and decodes the message from sine waves that it received, both the transmitter and the receiver uses antenna. बेसिकली क्या होएगा, पहले हमारे पास जो कंटेंट है वो क्या होएगा, एक फॉर्म में जाएगा जिससे वो क्या करेगा इनटू साइन वेव और उसको रेडियो वेव में भेजेगा. बाद में जो रेडियो वेव जो चली गई हमारे पास किसके रिसीवर के एंड पे, वो उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करेगा, साइन वेव में, और दोनों के एंड पे क्या होगा, एंटीना, जिसके थ्रू क्या है हम डेटा को ट्रांसफर कर पाएंगे. That is a radio wave. Advantages and disadvantages of radio waves. Number one is radio wave transmission offers mobility. That is, it provides us to provide a network based upon a frequency. Next is, it provides cheaper than digging trenches for laying cables. It offers freedom from language acquisition. That was same in the microwave signal case. It offers ease of communication over difficult terrain. Some of the functionalities and advantages of radio waves and microwaves are similar because of these are both the kinds of wave. Just the difference is the transmission medium. In the microwave, the transmission medium was transmitter, receiver, and atmosphere. In this case, we have a transmitter and a receiver. Next, the disadvantages of microwave. Radio wave communication is an insecure communication. Similarly, as we talked about microwave, it was an insecure communication. Means ऐसे क्या होगा कि मान लो क्या होता है, कई बार कोई हम नेटवर्क है या कोई फ्रीक्वेंसी है, तो एक टाइम पे दो फ्रीक्वेंसीज भी आपस में क्या होती है, क्लैश हो जाती है. सो दैट इज वाई इट इज इनसिक्योर कम्युनिकेशन. कोई हमने कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर टू समबडी, तो उसमें क्या हो सकता है कि कोई भी क्लैश आ सकता है. नेक्स्ट, रेडियो वेव प्रोपोगेशन इज सस्पेक्टेबल टू वेदर इफेक्ट्स. मींस रेडियो वेव सिग्नल भी किससे इफेक्ट करेंगे, वेदर, rain, thunderstorm, etc. So basically both have some same advantages as well as some same disadvantages. So if you are clear with both the differences, so we can make that answer accordingly, the advantages as well as the disadvantages. So now let's move forward, that what coming to the thing that is a satellite. Now whenever we're talking about a satellite, what does it mean by a satellite? So basically satellite communication is a special case of microwave relay system. Now this is more special than these types of signal that we are using. So basically satellite communication uses synchronous satellite to relay the radio signal transmitted from ground station. Basically जो भी चीज ground से ली गई है उसको क्या करेगा, वो transmit करेगा. The use of wireless communication has gained popularity due to these things. So basically with the traditional fixed wire terrestrial network, satellite, microwave communications and other things, it provides voice, fax, data and video services as well as email, file transfer, etc. Now what are we are using, we are all are using internet. आप सब internet use करते हो, तो internet पे क्या है, as soon as you click on something, whole of the thing is been done. Now these are not done through some waves. Means ऐसा नहीं कि आपको कोई रेडियो वेव्स आ रही है, आपके पास कोई माइक्रोवेव्स आ रही है, उसके थ्रू आप इसको सिग्नल को इंटरप्रेट कर रहे हो. जैसे आपने मेरी वीडियो पे क्लिक किया, so you are just clicking on my video, it is accessible to you and you can understand the concept. So what we are all doing in this, all the content is coming from the satellite and we are receiving that content to us with the help of that satellite, and it is providing us with the help of a microwave relay system. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of satellite. So basically the area coverage to satellite is very large. So now we know that satellite is in the sky, so it has a large number of area. As you can see in the picture also, the pictures are also coming side by side, that how are the microwave signals, how are the satellite signals and how are the radio signals. The laying and maintenance of interconnection cable is difficult and is expensive. And this is very satellite proved to be the best alternative. Whenever I want the exact type of data and without any failures, so that is the best case is the satellite. The heavy use of interconnection television makes the satellite commercially attractive. Now coming to the disadvantages. As I told, it was expensive, so technological limitation prevents the deployment of large, high gain antennas, means it will involve obviously more cost. Overcrowding of available bandwidth due to low antenna. Now when there is overcrowding, the server lag down, means we are using something and the server lag down. The high investment cost and cost insurance. अब expensive है तो insurance भी होगी और cost भी उसकी ज़्यादा आएगी. Next is high atmosphere losses above 30 gigahertz. So this can be a simple thing that can be asked. High atmospheric losses above 30 gigahertz limit. So that is the basic disadvantages of a satellite. Now there are some two more type of unguided media that we probably use in our homes, and also some of the normal type of data type, and a part of not a popular thing, but they are also a part of unguided media. So basically these are infrared and laser. So when I'm talking about infrared, आप सबने अपने घर पे देखा, you have a TV, there's a light in front of it. Just look at it. So that is called as an infrared ray. So this type of transmission, infrared to send data. The infrared light transmit through the air and can propagate through a room but will not penetrate the walls. Means अगर क्या आप TV चला रहे हो तो if you are in other room, if there are no walls, then you can obviously change that. But if they are involving some rows, you cannot change that desired channel or whatever you are using. The infrared transmission has become common in personal digital systems. The infrared transmit is a secure one. Second type of that we have the laser transmission. The laser transmission require direct line of sight. It is unidirectional like microwave but has a very high speed than microwaves. So the laser transmission requires the use of lateral transmitter and a phosphor sensitive thing. So basic the advantages of disadvantage of laser it can be adversely affected by weather. So this is the basic disadvantage of using a laser thing. We are coming to the very important topic, that is the data communication terminologies. So when I'm talking about the data communication terminologies, so what is it involved? Number one, a data channel. So basically what is a data channel? A channel is the medium used to carry information or data from one point to another. तो एक चैनल है वो क्या करेगा, एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पर इंफॉर्मेशन क्या करेगा, प्रोवाइड करेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डेटा चैनल. सेकंड, baud. It is a unit of measurement for carrying capacity of communication channel. Means whatever I want to carry, it will be measured in something, that is called as baud. Third, we have a bits per second. So basically what is it mean bit per second? Like we have the downloading speed. It comes out at kbps, mbps, or the top of your screen also sometimes it comes that this much speed is going on the downloading and this is of the uploading. So जो भी आपके स्क्रीन पे से फोन पे यूज कर रहे हो, नेटवर्क या कहीं पे भी जो भी स्पीड होती है, that are always recorded in bps, that is bytes per second. It refers to a speed of data transferred is measured. It is generally used to measure the speed of information through a high speed phone line or modem. So bps stand for bits per second. Notice the capital B and the small b. So when they are using small b, it stands for bits per second. When there is a capital B, that stands for bytes per second. Next part that we have a bandwidth. So basically when I'm talking about bandwidth, bandwidth is directly proportional to the amount of data transmitted or received per unit. So basically in qualitative sense, bandwidth is proportional to the complexity of data from a given level of system. So इसका सिंपल सा एग्जांपल है, आप एक फोटो डाउनलोड कर रहे हो, फोटो डाउनलोड करने में कुछ टाइम लगता है, suppose okay, and some seconds take. But whereas whenever you search for something and load that page, वो क्या होता है, एक सेकंड में लोड हो जाता है. So basically that is bandwidth. The loading of a page and downloading of a picture, that takes a difference, that is basically called as a bandwidth. Next we come to data transfer rates. So basically the data transfer rates represent the amount of data transfer per second by a data communication channel or a computing or storage device. So basically the data transfer is also measured in bps or bps capital letters or baud. So when applied it can be kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, anything accordingly. So guys, I hope you must be clear about the different unguided medias as well as the guided media. The guided media we have already discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched that, please do watch that. The link is at the top right corner. And I hope you must be clear about the unguided media also and the different types of data communication terminologies available. And also the thing that I have newly added in this of my video, I'll try to add in more future videos also, and I hope that helps. The translation of the things in Hindi also, and explaining you with examples in Hindi. So guys, I hope you like it. Please do like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, keep smiling, and have a nice day.